Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're learning the essential chunks you need to survive in English. These are the most important phrases you will ever learn. Emergency situations, basic needs, and getting help. Listen first, then repeat each chunk. Let's begin. Getting someone's attention. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Could I have a moment? Could I have a moment? Is anyone there? Is anyone there? Can anybody help me? Can anybody help me? I need help, please. I need help, please. Emergency chunks. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Call the police. Call the police. Call the fire brigade. Call the fire brigade. There's been an accident. There's been an accident. Someone is hurt. Someone is hurt. This is an emergency. This is an emergency. Please hurry. Please hurry. Don't move them. Don't move them. Medical emergency chunks. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I feel very unwell. I feel very unwell. I'm having chest pains. I'm having chest pains. I can't breathe properly. I can't breathe properly. I've been in an accident. I've been in an accident. I think I've broken something. I think I've broken something. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm a diabetic. I'm a diabetic. I take medication for my heart. I take medication for my heart. Describing pain chunks. It hurts here. It hurts here. I have a sharp pain. I have a sharp pain. The pain is getting worse. The pain is getting worse. I've had this pain for 2 days. I've had this pain for 2 days. It hurts when I move. It hurts when I move. The pain comes and goes. The pain comes and goes. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel like I'm going to faint. I feel like I'm going to faint. Lost and confused chunks. I'm completely lost. I'm completely lost. I don't know where I am. I don't know where I am. Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? Which way is the city centre? Which way is the city centre? Is there a taxi rank nearby? Is there a taxi rank nearby? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest police station? Where is the nearest police station? Lost belongings chunks. I've lost my passport. I've lost my passport. My wallet has been stolen. My wallet has been stolen. My phone has been stolen. My phone has been stolen. I need to cancel my bank card. I need to cancel my bank card. I need to contact my embassy. I need to contact my embassy. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? I need to make an urgent call. I need to make an urgent call. I need to report a theft. I need to report a theft. Basic needs chunks. I need water urgently. I need water urgently. I haven't eaten all day. I haven't eaten all day. I need somewhere to sleep. I need somewhere to sleep. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. I'm completely out of money. I'm completely out of money. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. Is there a cash machine nearby? Is there a cash machine nearby? Where can I get something to eat? Where can I get something to eat? Transport emergency chunks. I've missed my flight. I've missed my flight. My train has been cancelled. My train has been cancelled. My car has broken down. My car has broken down. I need a tow truck. I need a tow truck. I've run out of petrol. I've run out of petrol. I need to get to the airport urgently. I need to get to the airport urgently. Can you take me to the hospital? Can you take me to the hospital? How long will the delay be? How long will the delay be? Accommodation emergency chunks. I have nowhere to stay tonight. I have nowhere to stay tonight. Is there a hostel nearby? Is there a hostel nearby? My booking has been cancelled. My booking has been cancelled. There's a problem with my room. There's a problem with my room. There's no hot water. There's no hot water. The heating isn't working. The heating isn't working. I need to speak to the manager. I need to speak to the manager. Is there another room available? Is there another room available? Communication difficulty chunks. I don't understand. I don't understand. My English isn't very good. My English isn't very good. Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Could you write that down? Could you write that down? Is there anyone who speaks German? Is there anyone who speaks German? Do you have a translator? Do you have a translator? Can you use simpler words? Can you use simpler words? Please be patient with me. Please be patient with me. Money and payment problem chunks. My card isn't working. My card isn't working. Do you accept cash? Do you accept cash? I think I've been overcharged. I think I've been overcharged. Can you check the bill again? Can you check the bill again? I only have euros. I only have euros. Where can I change money? Where can I change money? Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? I need a receipt, please. I need a receipt, please. Asking for help from strangers. Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? I'm in a difficult situation. I'm in a difficult situation. Would you mind helping me? Would you mind helping me? I'm not from around here. I'm not from around here. Do you know this area well? Do you know this area well? Is it safe around here? Is it safe around here? Could you stay with me until help arrives? Could you stay with me until help arrives? Thank you so much for helping me. Thank you so much for helping me. Pharmacy and medicine chunks. I need something for a headache. I need something for a headache. Do you have anything for an upset stomach? Do you have anything for an upset stomach? I need a prescription. I need a prescription. How many should I take? How many should I take? Are there any side effects? Are there any side effects? I need this medicine urgently. I need this medicine urgently. Is this available without a prescription? Is this available without a prescription? Reassurance and survival mindset chunks. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Stay calm. Stay calm. Help is on the way. Help is on the way. I can handle this. I can handle this. Take it one step at a time. Take it one step at a time. I just need to stay calm. I just need to stay calm. I'll figure this out. I'll figure this out. Someone will help me. Someone will help me. Excellent work today. You've learned over 140 essential survival chunks. These chunks could make a real difference when you need them most. Practice them now so they come naturally in difficult moments. You never know when you might need them. The most important thing is to stay calm and use what you know. Even a few chunks can get you through any situation. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.